Hi, family, friends, and fellow Americans. Thank you for coming back to Action Today, the purpose of which is to do one small action to push back on Trump and his right-wing allies' destruction of our democracy. Today's action is a postcard to Supreme Court Justice Neil Gorsuch. For those of you who are newer to Action Today, there are times when we want to reach out to people who are supporting or destroying our democracy, who don't have public phone numbers, they don't have public emails, they don't have comment lines, and the only way to reach them is through the United States Postal Service, which gets to everyone. A couple of days ago, Justice Gorsuch used his podium to scold lower court judges, telling them that they were not free to defy US Supreme Court orders. Yet he has made no such statement about the Trump administration's defiance and evading of numerous judicial orders. He seems okay with the idea that the Trump administration doesn't obey orders, but lower court judges must. We deserve better from the highest court in our country. In a recent analysis, the Washington Post found that the Trump administration slow-walked, dodged, avoided, or evaded 35% of the judicial rulings that came down in over 300 cases against the administration. Action Today would like Justice Gorsuch to understand that Americans deserve impartial judges who hold everyone to the same standards. And if he expects Supreme Court orders to be obeyed, which is very appropriate, everyone is required to obey all judicial orders. That's why we have a system of numerous courts, so that if you disagree with the order, you appeal it. You don't ignore it. When writing to Justice Gorsuch, the proper etiquette is to address him as Dear Justice Gorsuch. The address is Supreme Court of the United States, 1 First Street, Northeast, Washington, D.C., 20543. In the description of this video, my postcard is going to say, and I'm going to read it to you, Dear Justice Gorsuch, you recently very publicly complained about lower court judges not following Supreme Court orders. Yet you have made no such public comment with regard to the Trump administration openly evading numerous judicial orders. Please remember your oath to our country. Be more impartial and hold everyone to the same standard. You claim to care about our Constitution. I hope that you care about our democracy just as much. Please act accordingly. Please reach out to Justice Gorsuch. Send him a postcard. Your words matter. Your actions matter. Our country matters. Hang in there, and we'll see you in a couple days.